everyone, welcome to Addy Trade. Today we are going to be seeing the trade possibility for Monday, that is 16th August, in Nifty and Bank Nifty. What I have opened here is the Bank Nifty chart, 15 minutes chart. On Friday we did have a kind of a consolidated move, but got a good breakout in the end. This was a good trade where we took support at about 35,900 and moved up until 35,240, which was our resistance line that we had already drawn. The red lines on the upper side are the resistance where Bank Nifty can possibly face some resistance on the upside. The levels are at about 36,300 and 36,500, and the green lines that I've drawn are the supports where Bank Nifty can take support on the downside. There are additional two lines that I want to draw which may not be very significant, so I'll just keep that a slightly thicker line, and this and one over here. See how the price came down and took support here, right? Even on Monday, if it comes down, probably will take support at this level. And over here, see on this day, on Thursday, we took resistance at this level, say at around 35,900. On Friday, we came and took support here. So that's how the support and resistance will play out. That's why we need to have it marked. That's why I have everything marked always. And the topmost red line that you see at about 36,500, I'll show you from where we are getting that resistance. See, it is from here. It is from this price action, which has occurred between March, so between 36,450 and 36,500 we could face some tough resistance when we go up. And another important channel to note here is, see now for example, I take this channel drawing tool and place this channel this way. See, each time we have gone up here, we came down over here, went up here, came down, took support at this level. So I'm expecting Bank Nifty to follow this channel even on Monday. Breakout of this channel can give us a further up move. Let me just mark that. Now we are in this channel, right? We might go up, probably take support at 36,840, somewhere in this region, and come down, take resistance and come down to take support at 36,090 is a possibility, and again go up. And at some point this will give a breakout of the channel or a breakdown which will give a further bigger move. So this is again just a possibility to get the levels. See what happens in the real market, nobody knows, right? I don't think any trader or any analyst can tell the market is going up or down the next day. But however it moves, we need to have the levels ready to book our profits and entry. So in case we come down and probably take support at these levels, like get this type of rejection hammer, probably will enter at these levels and keep the upper resistance as the target. So this channel is something that quite interesting that I found, so I'm going to keep this marked and we'll see if Bank Nifty follows this. See, for some reason I don't think a breakdown will come now. I'm expecting an upper move only on Bank Nifty. In case a breakdown comes, we'll keep these lower levels as the target and trade. So that is the trade possibility for Monday. We might be in this channel range, or we might get a breakout or a breakdown of this is also a possibility. So let me just remove this and quickly just check the CPR levels. And if somebody had shorted over here in the morning in Bank Nifty based on CPR, see, this is Friday CPR. Exactly at R2, we got a beautiful rejection. This was a very good short for intraday until R1. And a good buy was over here until this levels, R1, R2. So that's why I make use of CPR for levels. So let's see, the CPR for Monday is R1. We already have a line marked at R1. R2, we don't have any line mark, but we'll have the CPR level. So in case we face resistance here, we'll book profit. And S1 is at about 36,000, where we already have a line, which is good. And S2 also, we have a line that is closer to S2, so that is fine. So even these CPR levels can be a good reversal point, like what happened on Friday, right? From R2 we reverse, so the CPR's levels can also be marked as a good reversal points for intraday. So that's it for Bank Nifty. Let us move to Nifty. See, Nifty gave, when Nifty broke out of this, on the previous video we had a red line marked over here. Okay, so the moment it broke out of that huge resistance, we had a one way up. We had a good trade in Nifty and a good retracement and again a pullback. So right now, the topmost level, we made a new high of 16,545. So the only levels that I can get on 15 minutes is possibly this, possibly a dip towards what I have marked. The possible dip towards 16,470 can be a good buy, because this is looking like a good support. And there's even a good support over here based on the price action. Sorry, my chart got stuck. And the other possibility is this line. And one more interesting thing to see in Nifty is, since we are at all-time high, when I put on the RSI, right, there is a clear divergence that is seen. Marking it in this with this black line. See, this price is making a higher high, but indicator is making a lower low, which indicates there might be a dip. I'm not saying the Nifty is going to reverse and crash, but there might be a small dip for us to buy. On Monday is a possibility. So the dip could come probably until this level or this green levels, this green lines that I've drawn. And let me just put the CPR levels for Monday. See, these are the CPR levels for Monday, which I will keep it marked for the live market as well. I mark all the resistance in the red line and support on the green, so that I don't get, it's pretty easy to figure it out. See, even the pivot is coming at this green line that I've drawn at about 16,470. So there is a possibility we might get this dip and then move up, or since the CPR looks a little wide CPR, right, since we had 3 days of good up move in Nifty, we might even consolidate in this range. Within the CPR range is also a possibility. So these are the only levels that I can find for Nifty, and these are the levels that I see for Bank Nifty. Let's quickly check the open interest analysis as well. See, for Bank Nifty, we have a huge put writing at 36,000. So breaking 36,000 looks difficult based on the open interest as of today. This video is being recorded on Saturday morning at about 9:40 a.m. and on the call side we again have resistance at 36,500. So 36,000, going below 36,000 looks difficult. That is around this region looks difficult. Even the OI has a good support here. That is this exactly where we took support even on Friday. So if we get any dip towards 36,000 is probably a good buy in Bank Nifty. That's what we will be looking at. And coming to Nifty, Nifty is even more bullish. Even after reaching 16,500, it's looking more bullish because we have 16,000 more put writing in even at 16,500 at an all-time high level, and the next resistance is only at 16,600 and 16,800. If in case 500 breaks, we come down, the good support is at 16,400. 16,500 is okay. We can mark one line over here as well based on the open interest. See, there's a good amount of put writing. I'm just seeing this chart for the first time, now. It's quite interesting to see 16,500 as more put writing than call writing. So there's a possibility Nifty will be bullish even on Monday, and 15,500 won't break as of now based on the open interest, but this can change during the live market dynamically. So we can't rely on open interest for everything. We have to look at the price action and the technical analysis, right? Open interest is just to build on a view, like just to get an added point. Okay, so even 16,500 is a good probably a dip towards 16,500, and there's a possibility even Nifty can touch 16,600 also. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty and Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, one interesting thing is probably we can follow this channel and see next week how it moves. And in Nifty, based on the open interest, it's still looking bullish for next week as well, even on Monday. So that's it, guys, for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel and like my videos.